Mr. Pentecost, we have you under surveillance at your nearest.
Get about the crack house, looking on drugs. High as I can be. Get to the curb, gun test to the police, raise hell on the streets. Take from the earth for the nerves, anxiety. First and third, coming up, drugs sucks, man, I'm nuts. Turn right here, go right there. Here's a mic, take a bag, that's magic time. Try to fight back with the smack, we relapse, fuck rehab, don't go back. You'll do just fine. The fucked up thing that's in my mind, it sounds alright. I'm about to go, motherfuckers like out, rolling in dough. The taco, hell no, 5-0 tap with the cell phone, cast with elbows, dashing the bricks and the traps in hella. Goodbye at the same time. Love the sound of a round coming out the end of a pistol. Whistling at this house with a viewed up out like a round that's packed in the snow. Straight to the dome. Snap in the dope on the shoes, my baby. Pump my bit, and you won't punch it like I could. This kid's insane. Don't press stop if the CD play. This shit, I'm out this bitch, shooting right from the hip. I hate what I did. More than the pigs, when they knock in the crib and they bust out in. We had a warrant, motherfucker, I was snoring, fall with the fork and then drop the beat.